are you?
The window. Gonna go see sisters up there. I'm recording this.
That's funny. Look at your screen play. What are you doing?
I'm recording this, Cassandra. Where are they? Oh, there's some people right there. Where's the helicopter? You see it? Oh, it sounds close. Oh, it sounds so loud. They were both shooting against Cassandra, look.
Baby shark, baby shark, baby
So
shark.
another helicopter looking for someone though.
Mom,
What are they looking for?
Mom.
Back to my other one.
Mom, that's just crazy, Mom. What are you doing, dog?
Okay, nice. I'm actually very scared. Where'd they go? There they are, guys, right there. The police. That's legit. Oh my god, yeah, just keep on flying, get out of here, get out of my face. Where are they? I don't see them, they'll just open my window a little. So I can make sure I'm not. Oh no, insect. See that right there? That little bug right there? What are you doing here, buddy? Let me go kill it. Yup, doing it. Let me go get something to kill it. You come with me, guys. Where's my friends? Okay. What should I kill it with? I'm gonna take this pencil. Shove it up it. Is that helicopter still there? There it is. There's a bug.
You where?
Right there. You don't see it?
Where, my window?
Please don't tell me it's gonna fly. It was like right there. Get out of here. Is it dead already? I think it's dead. Everything was dead, guys. So I'm gonna drop you there and keep on looking outside. I see it. I know. Was that something or was that a bug? Oh, I'm seeing something. I hear it. Oh, there it is. Right there. It's as far as I could zoom. Where's it? It's looking for someone. I'm scared, guys. I'm gonna edit off here. Okay. Bye, guys. See you.